To fold a fortune teller, take a square piece of paper and fold it in half diagonally so it makes a triangle. Then crease the fold. Unfold the paper, then fold it again diagonally the other way and crease that fold. Unfold the paper again and crease it vertically and horizontally as well. Lay the paper out flat, then fold in each corner of the paper so they meet at the middle of the previous creases. Flip the paper over. Fold all four corners into the center of the paper again. Now, fold in the flaps of your fortune teller. Your fortune teller is ready.